Good morning, everybody, my subscribers, my students, my fellow traders. I greet you all. Happy new month, happy new week to you all. I wish you a successful week and month of trading. I wish all your peace will be green. Okay, just as I promised during the weekend that I will make more analysis today. In as much I don't have much time, but I will try to cover some. So I want to cover some GBP pairs. If you want to see GBP, GBUSD, GBP JPY, you can watch the video I posted, I think Saturday, during the weekend. So now I'll start with GBP AUD. So GBP AUD, what I can see that the price is still going up. So I expect that after 3 waves pullback from here, we will have the buying that will go up to this level. I have a reason for this, but because of time I may not go to daily. Okay, let me try to go to daily to show you the reason for this. GBP AUD, where is it? Okay, this is GBP AUD. Let me go to daily to show you why I have such option. Sorry, just wait a minute. Okay, GBP AUD. The reason I have such option is that this wave supposed to have ended here. This wave, I forget that we will have another drop like this, but because of the sharpness of this move, I think we may not have another move down unless we have a bearish setup around this place. If not, it will go deeper. But at least for now, the market is pointing upwards, and the next bus stop for it is 1.86 is the next target. So you remember when market was here, I told you that this very line will serve as a support, or before I said that if it goes deeper it will cut this line. If not, it will end around here. That's when I put this blue box, and I forecast that this blue box again will be a place we will see a buying setup. So GBP AUD, I'm looking for buy. I don't have any reason to sell for now until the price comes up to this level. Okay, so my advice and focus is for look for buy on GBP AUD. Okay, we move on. GBP chef. Yes, I suspect that I forget that we will have like this is 1 2 3 4 5. If the market develops normally as wave count is, we have A, B, C. So we may have another drop, then 3 waves pull back, then another drop to complete the wave 4. Then after wave 4, we have wave 5, which will take the price to this area 1.31, 1.315, 1.32, 1.33. So my advice is that you wait for the buy that will happen around here. Unless we see a sharp move from here, then coming down here will not be possible again. But if there is no sharp move towards this place, then wait for 3 waves and look for buy. GBP card. GBP card is somehow complex, but a bigger time frame suggests that Period time frame suggests that we will have a little pullback, then and the price goes on. So we have got a triangle, though the triangle is not that triangle. It's somehow flat, but nevertheless it's triangle. On wiki chart you see it better. We have A, B, C, D, E, and it doesn't violate the Elliott Wave theory. So this triangle, I think, will hold, and if it holds, since it's a bigger time frame, when we get this, and this looks like a leading diagonal. So if we get a drop, maybe 3 waves here, then the buying we start here will be, maybe it may buy for 1 month, 2 months, 6 weeks or thereabout. So if you are trading GBP card, you look for sell, because this is daily chart. Then after the sell, you look for buy. Let me go to 4 hours. So 4 hours, like as I told you, I'm looking for, we may have A, B, C. That is, you know, this ABC may have 6 waves. That is ABC, ABC, ABC. So the message is that this move may give us ABC. That is ABC, and that ABC may have some correction before we have a bigger one. So my message is that GBP card, you either buy if it closes above this place, or if it continually goes down and gives a sell setup, we will sell. But right now the sell setup is not clear, though on 1 hour it may be clear, but I prefer to take decision based on 4 hours. So based on 4 hours, the sell I'm looking for is not yet clear. So you better watch out. Don't rush into trade unless you are sure of what you are doing. Okay, GBP New Zealand, I'm looking for buy. When I get to 3 waves, we likely have 3 waves towards these blue balls. After the 3 waves, the next sell buy setup will be okay. Then we buy it after a close above this. We will likely have a sell that will come down to this place. GBP's Rand, GBP ZAR. It's been a long time I haven't come to this place, but last time I did it, I said that I think the market was, I forgot, but the market around this place, and I said that we will have a buy towards 20, 21, 22, and so on. But the price moves on, it comes back, it's not yet over. So I still see the market coming up to this very level or even below it, but we are going to have maybe a kind of flat correction or even triangle, then before the buy continues. So expect some kind of sluggish movement around here before the buy goes up again. Okay, Euro AUD. For a long time, throughout last week, I didn't touch Euro AUD, but now I wanted to touch more of those pairs I left for some time. So expect buying at this level. So this very move gives us a clue that to buy is a good idea. So if we get a buy setup around here, we can buy and watch what happens here. If it breaks here, then the buying continues, and I tell you, it will likely break this place. Sorry, I didn't label all these charts because I don't have time to label them. So, but this is wave 1. We have A, B, C. If you get to A, B, C, then this will be wave 2, and wave 3 is always big and fast. So I'm looking to enter a buy around this area. Then Euro card. Remember Euro card? Well, let's focus. This is okay. Let me go straight to the 4 hour to show you what I said last time I came to Euro card. So this is the 4 hours. Remember last time I analyzed the market, I told you that whenever we get out of this channel, it will be a nice time to buy. And right now I am buying Euro card, but the best thing is to wait for the close above this place. The reason I'm buying, I know is the risk is more buying here than waiting to buy here, but I don't see this pair coming down again to close below this place. It can happen, anything happens in the market, but I decided to take the risk. I have entered the buy from here. It may still come down, but I don't see it coming below this place. Here is my stop loss. So, but to minimize your risk, wait for the close of this place, then you can buy. But the buy surely will come up to this place to complete the bigger. This what is happening here is happening in Delhi also. We can see it. This is the channel, so we expect it to come up to this place again before we have a big drop. So the break of the channel on 4 hours will open room for complete channel of the daily. Okay, that's for Euro card. What pair do we have again? Euro chef. I'm gonna have time. I will label all these things, but no time now. So I forecast this market, but I didn't buy this market because I wasn't. I forgot to check on the chart, so I missed this trade. But I know this will happen. So, but nevertheless, another opportunity is knocking. We will likely have some like A, B, C, or a kind of some consolidations around this place. Then after that, another buying is around the corner. It may be equal to this or similar to it. Okay, so I don't expect a bigger pullback, though it can happen. That's why it's good to wait for buy or sell setup before you enter. Okay. 4 hours on Euro chef. We have gotten, this can be to set a B with A. We may get wave B like A, B, C, wave B. Then wave C will be A, B, C. So, but the idea is that the correction might not go below this blue box. It might go below this blue box before the buying continues. So be patient for buying. Now it's dropping. Expect a move up, then the final move to correct this very move. Then buying will continue. USD is another pair I like to trade, but because of this delay, I thought it will begin to go up from here. Then it comes and close below this place, and I forgot about it for some time. Then when this happened, I didn't see it on time. I would have taken the buy from here, but nevertheless, another opportunity is coming, and the main bullish level is this place, but it's for those who trade longer time frame. If you trade on 1 hour and 4 hours, you will just look for your buy around here. So I'm looking for buy, but I'm not just enter into buy. I would like to see a clear pattern that will happen around here. If I see a good reason to buy, I will buy. Then if the market decides to drop furthermore, I will be watching it to know how it develops. But I tell you, if the buyers push the market above this level, to push it above this level will be so easy. And if it goes above this level, it is going back to 20, 21, 22 once more. Okay, this is 1 hour. 1 hour gives us a clearer insight. And this is 1, 2, 3 waves, ABC, 4 and 5. So after each 5 waves, we see 3 waves correction. A, B, C is what I expect. So looking for buy around 14.8, 14.9 will be a good idea. Then if it's gone back to 14.7, a better chances of for making profit on that. I think I have finished the market I have to analyze. Okay. Any other thing to show you here? I think I have covered the pairs I like to analyze. I can't give you everything because I don't have the time to analyze all the markets. Okay, let me see what we have. What we have there, NZD card, but it's been long. I haven't gone to it. So New Zealand the card. Okay, it's been long. I came here, but nevertheless, the market is going in our direction. You know, last time I said that the market will be following this very channel, and it's still going towards this channel. So the next thing we will be looking for is the next thing we look for this channel is watch out for this. Whenever market moves so long on one direction, what will happen next? It will go to the opposite direction. So watch this trend line closely. If the market breaks it low, then you can sell it towards this very bigger trend line. Let me go to 4 hours. So in 4 hours, you can see we may have A, B, C, but it may want to break this trend line now. It may bounce back from here and goes up from to this place again. So if you're not be trading this, you better look for other pairs to trade, because the way it is moving, I expect A, B, C. Then it will reverse back and go back again. We may have something like this in this market. Something like this. So something like this may likely happen. Then after that, we get the selling we are looking for. This can it may happen like this, just like what happened. It's something like this. Similar to this may happen. It comes back slowly to this place, then it will go up and come down. Okay. So 1 hour you can see it. This is 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 may come down here. Okay, anyway, just is a kind of complex correction, but it is channeling. When market is channeling, the best thing to do is to target your entry towards the channel. For instance, let me show you something. When market is channeling, look for something like this. You see this candle, it pierced the channel, and the next candle moved back without wasting time and closed above the previous candle. It's an indication that it will continue going up. Here again, you can see this candle come down. This one pierced it again, closed above it, and continue going up. So the channeling market like this takes time to develop, but if you know how to trade it, it can be so profitable. So I'm rounding up right now. Trade with care, use stop loss, don't overtrade. If you like what we are doing, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, ask your questions, share it. You also join our Telegram channel. You can see all these charts. They are in pictures, so we post them on our Telegram channel so that you can save them and to be a point of reference for you. Then if you are willing to learn how to trade using advanced method of Elliott Wave, you can contact us via our Telegram or WhatsApp. Then we add you to the students group. So have a nice trade. Good day. Bye.